I'm Marianne Edwards, and we were frugal before frugal was in fashion. So I know that saving money involves doing your homework, research, patience, and planning. On this website, I've done a lot of the work for you so that you can be more frugal when you travel. Camping is supposed to be a cheap way to travel, but the cost of campgrounds at $20 to $30 per night can really add up. Imagine if you could cut the cost of those campgrounds in half or eliminate them altogether. We've done that over and over again for the past 12 years. This is our little RV. It has a double bed, a furnace, a stove, a fridge, running water, and a toilet. And we carry folding table and chairs, even a portable barbecue. We don't need a campground, only a place to park for the night. When it comes to free camping, pretty scenery is always preferable to a Walmart parking lot. We've found many free campsites with great views like this. 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 Or like this. Like this. Like this. Cheers. Or how about this? Or like this. This is our living room, and this is what boondocking is really about. I'm Marianne Edwards, and this is Frugal RV Travel.